Hi guys, Lynn from Life and Motorbikes here. Today I just wanted to show you what happened to me today. So I went for a ride to see my nephew's football match because he's really good at football and I haven't been to see a match since I've been here. So went to see it, brilliant, had a great time. But on the way to the actual park, I could hear it ting, 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 ting on my bike. So I'm like, okay, well that sounds like metal, but it was really faint, so I wasn't 100% sure. So then on the way back, I could hear it louder and I thought, okay, well, I've got to check this out because obviously it's something. So I've got my bike booked in next week for a service and a new tyre, a new back tyre. When I got back, I said to my brother, oh my God, it's really tinging now. And he said, well, I had a look at your bike before. He said, and I could see some scraping. So he said, it looks like something's rubbing. So I went and had a look and this is what has happened. I'll just show you, I'll just turn you around. Hang on a minute. So I went and had a look and I could see the rubbing here. And you can see that there. And when I look closer, I'm thinking, God, what would that do? What would make that? And so when I looked here, I saw, I don't know if you can see because the light's not real good. There you go. That whole thing there has snapped off. So this has been rubbing against that. Now, it looks pretty easy to just buy and replace when I look at it closer, but I kind of figure, I don't know, it's attached to the suspension, and because I'd had a collapsed wheel bearing before in the rear wheel, which wasn't a pleasant experience, I thought I would actually just get Harley Davidson to actually fix that as well. So I just wanted to know, if I gaffer tape that up, will that be okay to ride 40 minutes till I get to the Harley shop? So any suggestions? I know someone's offered to weld it, but I don't know, she's 10 years old. I kind of think I'll just want new parts now. I don't want to muck around with welding, and in case, So just let me know if you think that will get me to the Harley shop or not, if I gaffer tape it. I'll show you an after shot when I gaffer tape it anyway. All right, thanks team, bye. Well, this is my mock-up thing. Okay, so this is what I've done. I've put some around there and then I've put it around here to try and hopefully that'll stick. I'm not an expert at this. I'm not really MacGyver, but I'm hoping that's gonna be okay. I think it will be. Yeah. Okay. Thanks.